Hey guys, DevilsDen SportsCards here, and we're back doing another two-box break of Upper Deck Premier. This will be group break number 126. And as always, the last team ended is the Winnipeg Jets. Okay, this ended September 24th at 6:14 p.m. That is Mountain Time here in Alberta. Okay, again, two-box break, group break number 126. I'll show you what time it is right now. It is 8:46 p.m. Again, Mountain Time in Alberta, Saturday, September 24th. Okay, so I'll show you this. This is just a small sample of the free giveaways. After the break is done, I'll random one envelope for a team. And again, that's just a sample. There's a whole whack of them. So, continuing on with our boxes here. I'm just going to grab two random ones. Okay, we'll do these ones. Okay, so we've got box number 85033125258. Okay, and then we've got well, I can't see that, so I'm just going to go 16173. Okay. Yeah, a little bit right there, I guess. 85033616173. Okay. Okay, so there you go. These two boxes, card's going to go in here. Keep your card safe. Okay. Take the tins out. And here we go. Imagine everybody was watching the World Cup hockey tonight. Okay, first 10. We start off with a rookie premier jersey for Chicago Blackhawks, Ryan Hartman. Next, we start off. Next card is a rookie premier at $3.99. Vancouver Canucks, Ronald Keans. Next, we have a base out of $3.99 for the Washington Capitals, Evgeny Kuznetsov. And next, we have a nice three-color Premier Rookie Auto Patch out of $3.75, Mackenzie Skapski. There's three-color patch there. His number is 47 of 375. And oh, nice. We have a sleeve numbers, 2 of 6, handwritten. Frederick Anderson for the Ducks, for the Anaheim Ducks. Yeah, it's the guy who got traded to Toronto, I do believe. Poor guy. But this is an Anaheim Ducks hit, number 2 of 6. And we finish off. Oh no, sorry. Next card, sorry. A Premier Quads. That's all for the Islanders. We have John Tavares, Ryan Strome, Anders Lee, and Yaroslav Halak. 47 of 65. All for the Islanders. And we finish off with a Premier jersey out of 199. Materials, Jonathan Quick for the Kings. Well, that's a nice hit in there. Okay, we start off with a rookie premier jersey for the Winnipeg Jets, Connor Helbusic. And next we have a rookie premier out of $3.99 for the New York Rangers, Oscar Lindberg. And next we have base premier out of $3.99 for the Detroit Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk. And next we have the premier rookie auto patch for the San Jose Sharks, Nikolai Goldobin. Nice patch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 breaks. Nice. Premier materials for the Chicago Blackhawks, gold version of 25 patch, Jonathan Toews. Nice patch. And next we have a rookie premier autographed out of $3.99 for the Arizona Coyotes, Louis Domingue. And we finish off with another premier rookie autograph. It's time for the Edmonton Oilers at a $3.99. Wrong guy. Anton Slepchev, Edmonton. That's the first Edmonton hit I've seen. So there you have it. That is group break number, what was that, 126? Yeah, 126. We're going to do the randoms for the for the free giveaway here. Just give me 2 seconds. I'll move my screen. Then I will move the camera over. So here we go. I'm just going to move the camera. Okay, so Again, top team will get the envelope containing a free card or a free pack of cards. 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Goes to the Florida Panthers. Okay, then we've got your numbers. This will be 1, 2. This will be the 4th time doing this. So there will be 4 numbers taken out of here. Do this 3 times. 1, 2. I guess we only did it 3 times. This will be the 4th, right? Sorry. 2 and 3. Number 249, envelope number 249, will be going to the Florida Panthers. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. That will, again, group break number 126. And where am I here? Premier GB number 126. Envelope goes to Florida. And number, what was it, 249. So again, either a free card or a free pack of cards. And again, there's just a sample. They're all, I got a whole box full of them. So just some free giveaways for you guys. So as a thanks for joining in. So that is it. We will see you later. Okay, bye.